Hi guys, welcome back. It's Dr. Rankin here with South Metro Wellness Clinic. Today I'm going to give you guys some very much anticipated updates with our massage therapy program here with Angel as she continues to advance and see more and more patients. We've decided to come up with some more options to serve our customers, and the first one we're going to be talking about for the rest of January and February for our winter specials is aromatherapy. We all know that this time of year can be very challenging as we're spending more time inside, more time away from other people, and just the cold weather in general doesn't always make everybody feel good. So one way we're going to help combat that is to add aromatherapy into our practice. So I'm going to start by giving you an opportunity to know exactly how we work with aromatherapies from start to finish. All of our sheets are laundered with Dr. Bronner's soap of the lavender scent. So we begin by basically treating all of our sheets, and then we're going to be using a lavender scented mist to go ahead and give that feel of the relaxing aromatherapy. Then we're going to layer it with one of three choices. So it basically depends on what it is that you'd like to do. However, all of your massage therapy creams are going to basically be the exact same. They have a very nice rose smoothing scent, or this one is the rose or the arnica and ivy extract, which is very fresh, very simple, and it just has a very calming effect. So whichever aromatherapy should you choose, they're all used specifically to combat a certain issue. So the first one we have right here, we're going to use as an example today, is rose. Okay, so what Angel will do is she will choose one of the three. Today we're going to focus just on the rose because this is my personal favorite. Rose is about self-love and inner reflection and healing. So it's just such a beautiful, classic, universal, feel-good scent. I don't think you can really go wrong with rose. It's always been a classic go-to of mine, so I started with that one. We're using the Young Living oils. So basically what she'll do is she'll choose one of the aromatherapy oils of your choice. There will be three of them. We'll go into the other two in a second. And basically just a couple of drops and mix them in with your massage lotion. And also too, when I'm using aromatherapy on a patient who needs a little extra special attention, stress levels are very, very high right now, I'll take one drop of the rose and I'll just press it on pulse points and just send someone home with that after their treatment. Because this is such a strong oil, it's going to last them for the rest of the day and into the evening. If they don't necessarily bathe at night, they can go to bed even and still be able to smell it. I know when I use the rose oil as a cologne or as a scent or as a way to get centered and stay calm or stay focused through the day, it's such a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful experience, and it just adds a little bit to your day. The other two options are lemongrass and orange. Lemongrass, obviously the lemon scent, is very, very uplifting and invigorating and charging. So if you're looking to do massage therapy as a way to help recharge, get yourself to be a little bit more awake, get yourself some self-healing going throughout the day or for the rest of the week, lemongrass is a fantastic option for you. The third would be the orange or the orange blossom, which I personally also love. It's also very unisex. So orange blossom is good for both genders. In South American and Spanish or Latin speaking countries, orange is the #1 seller for men of the unisex fragrances. So it's a really, really beautiful option. It is an antidote to stress, just its properties in general. So I'm also getting some of that information from the Young Living website, which I'm starting to like their oils, and they are growing on me as well. So we're going to continue to do that. So for the rest of, I'm not going to say November, February, for the rest of our winter, we're going to focus on those three. So rose for self-love, lemongrass for energy, and orange for anti-stress. Of course, with lavender, everything is going to be anti-stress. The majority of massage with aromatherapy options typically include peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, some kind of mint or some kind of calming things, and those things are really, really great. The scented pieces that I chose for the rest of our winter are specifically geared for a very certain type of goal with your massage therapy treatment, and these three seem to be the most needed. They're also different, and it's also just a good time of year to try something new and to kind of clean out the old and get a good start and a refresh for 2021. So thank you for joining us today. I hope you really, really enjoyed your session here. Very nice. I will go ahead and end it on a nice note here for the rest of the day, and we will meet you guys again next week. Thank you.